Manila. Kaalinsabay nito ay yung pagbibigay ng kapanatagan sa mga naninirahan sa Maynila, namumuhay sa Maynila at dumadako sa Maynila with regard to the peace and order situation of the city. Again, this is now a testament to our statement that those who will commit, and I hope not, criminal activities in the city of Manila, beware. No matter how long, no matter how far you are, the Manila Police District is directed by yours truly to go after to those who committed crimes, and as if baka yung iba na mga tulongges baka pinagtatawanan pa yung Manila Police District. Iba na po ulit ang Manila Police District ngayon. We'll go after you. Today, Chichi, the Vice Mayor Chichi and I will present to you particular individuals here. Andito sila lahat. Pagtabi-tabi nyo ngayon. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo. Baka lang may confusion sa inyo, no? With due respect to other agencies, pinalalagyan ko lang ng tabing yung mukha nila dahil ito yung mga suspect. Pero noong nakaraang linggo, yun naman ay surrender. Ibig sabihin, inako na nila yung kasalanan. And I'm happy and I'm praying for the soul of Mr. Cabrera, because of the effort of the Manila Police District and Councilor Awi Sia and Barangay Chairman Junicio and the family of the suspect. After so many months, natagpuan na po yung bangkay. At sana magkaroon na ng kapayapaan ng kanyang kaluluwa at makamit ng pamilya Cabrera yung hustisya. Now, to those victims of other crimes, ito po, unti-unti po, pipilitin natin. Una, kung maalala ninyo, itong si Teresita Clarin E. Ramirez, top 5 most wanted for reckless imprudence resulting in homicide and illegal practice of medicine, station level, top 5. Ibig sabihin, kung naano po ninyo, siya po yung nagtuli